Okay. Allow me to record this meeting.
Yes, sir. Please do, sir.
Anyone see Igis Lumnutaker? That's me recording the session. So anyone who didn't attend the session will see and study it. Have you seen the board before, Teacher Jansi, Teacher Malika, or anyone?
No, sir.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's Teacher Alexandra.
I tried simply to watch the recording, but I didn't finish it yet. Okay.
Okay.
But I have no access to the link to the app.
Ah,
I can try the lesson plan.
okay. Let's solve that in this session. It's the class. Teacher Jansi or anyone else, if I didn't share my screen.
No, sir. You are yet to.
Yeah.
I couldn't see your screen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's very unlimited image. Okay. It's 0 project. Okay. Let me try to share my screen. It's a window. Oh, it's column tab. It's class to class. Yeah. Okay. That's better.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the previous session, I come with Teacher Nasim and two others of my friend, Teacher Ikhwan and teachers the new I ever known. It's from Indonesia, but just three of us, and Teacher Nasim is on the way to his conference. But unfortunately, we can't discuss further about this session. So I hope everyone will enjoy how we can implement it deep learning in classroom with AI assistant, of course, for bringing the lesson plan to life. How about we start, Teacher Jansi, Teacher Malika, and everyone? Is it okay, or we wait about 5 minutes?
Sir, let us wait for 5 minutes because some teachers, they may be joining.
Okay.
We'll just wait and you just keep a reminder for in WhatsApp in our class to class so that they will be joining now. You just post that we are going to start.
Okay, let's notify them. In this previous week, Teacher Jansi, do you have any experience attending interesting session with another teachers?
Which one, sir?
Do you find interesting session with another teacher from this previous week?
No, I haven't attended. You are very unique, sir. You create some unique projects and based on AI, only you are the great master.
That's only me. It's many more.
I agree, Teacher Jansi. Yeah.
And he is very generous and he loves to share his knowledge to others. And amazing, sir, you are really.
Because I'm being taught by my teacher, if we share something with the world, there is more to us.
Yeah, you gain more.
So I kind of attached to that principle. Let's try the app first. This is the app. You can choose your own language. It's English, Arabic, or Russia. It's special for teacher Alexander.
Yeah,
Yeah, hello to everyone. Nice to see all of you.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, teachers. Hello.
Hello, teacher Alexandra.
Yeah, hello, teacher Mia. Yeah.
Sir, could you please share the link in the chat so that I could try?
Yes, I have
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
shared that.
Yes, yes. Just now I noted.
Can everyone access that or any limitation? The preview is on my screen.
Yeah, if it is visible. Yes, it is visible, teacher Daddy.
Thank you, teacher Alexandra.
Yes, yes,
Look at
yes.
in any count, because this is Gemini based AI, so it will suitable for anyone who's using Google account, of course. Yes. Okay, 2 minutes left, then let's start.
Yes, sir.
Teacher Alexandra, how's the comic project? Your book, your digital book.
Yeah, it is great. Great. Yeah. Just all the students were absolutely interested, and they wanted to share with the digital tools, and wanted to, that was very interesting from my side, because all of them tried to share something new. Yeah. And of course it is supposed to show uh, their reliable goals, yeah, to something to, yeah, to create something interesting and necessary for their school learnings, especially. Yeah. And they learned some new things, and from my side it was quite amazing. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you to UNC for your students. They were absolutely interesting projects they created. Yeah.
You're welcome, teacher. And I also have something in common from this app. So how we can implement comic books in lesson plan, because the comic book is something that maybe just for literation, yeah, and it's not
Yeah.
included all
Yeah.
in the session. But I hope something will be different if we can encourage or make a first impression that our students like before they jump in to the materials. Let's
Yeah.
to see that in this session. Okay, let's start, Teacher Jansi, Teacher Alexandra, Teacher Malika.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, let's allow me to start the recording. Okay. Hello, everyone. It's great to see everyone in here. great teacher from around the world, Teacher Malika, Teacher Jansi, Teacher Alexandra, and everyone who may be struggling to enter this join meeting. So I hope they are okay with their signal and can entering this online session with every kind of technique. So this is the second session of deep learning, how we can towards quality education for all. Deep learning is something that we adapt from Michael Fullan. If anyone have read the deep learning books from Michael Fullan, Teacher Jansi, Teacher Alexandra, Teacher Malika, have anyone read the book? Michael Fullan, deep learning.
No,
I
sir.
haven't. I
Okay.
haven't.
Nah,
No.
so this is not a new curriculum. This is not new curriculum. This is a new approach, educational approach. Nah, let's see. The deep learning is new approach such as STEM and scientific approach. Nah, deep learning is something that our country in Indonesia is wants to make our quality of education in Indonesia is increased. Based on what? Nah, this is the background. Based on the first thing is our country is very low in literacy and low numeracy and lack of lower order thinking. So with this deep learning, we hope the future challenge will be solved by this approach, because the future is uncertainty with unpredictable changes. And we have vision of Indonesia 2045 and demographic bonus that our student can have 4C competence like critical thinking, communication, and collaboration. So this is what we do in Indonesia to adapting deep learning to our curriculum. So the app will based on this this approach, yeah. But first, let's deep in what is deep learning. Deep learning is we want to go to holistic approach from 4 pillars. The first is intellectual and spiritual or moral and emotional, also physical. It's not only intellectual. Our students, if they only have intellectual increase but not spiritual, it will be dangerous for them. But intellectual also is not complete if there is not emotional, and someone who didn't have a physical body will not have good intellectual or merely spiritual or maybe emotional, because they are maybe got sick very often, because it's not very good for them if the 4 of the pillars is not adopting by them. So this is our definition of deep learning. We approach all of these aspects in one pillars. Okay, the 3 key principles, if we want to go into deep learning, the first thing is our lesson has to be mindful. Mindful, it's active subject to understand why they are learning. Is there any question maybe if we go in the school that our student is motivated learning or not? Nah, before we doing that, we have to increase their mindful in the class. And the second is meaningful. The meaningful is relevant to real life and prior experience. I'm glad to catch this community because our student can relate to the real world. They can communicate with other people in the world with this platform. That makes our lesson is, yeah, very, very real. Yeah, they can teach English, teaching their English, practice their English, which I I do now because my English is not Very good also. Nah, and constructing and applying knowledge to real world context. Also, our lesson has to be joyful. Joyful is something positive, challenging, and safe atmosphere. So anyone who attend the class will have a positive feedback, a challenging lesson, and safe for everyone who uh, wants to make their opinion or comment. It's safe for them. This is the principle we want to implement it in the deep learning. Also, the learning experience cycle. The learning experience, we have three aspects also. It's understanding. It's constructing knowledge from various sources. So deep learning is not only from the book we have from the government. Yeah, maybe our government printed a book that can be implemented in our class. It's textbook. But if we want to make the real life more understanding, we can broaden our perspective not from the book. Now, this app will help us to do that, yeah, to understanding. Also applying. Applying is using knowledge in real life contextual situations such as the aspect before. It's will have to be contextual situation, moving from theory to practice and innovation. And after that, it's very, very important aspect is reflecting. Reflecting is evaluating the process and result of action. And I know every teacher will do that in the class after their lesson, and they will reflect it, discuss about what they have learning today. But something may be missing if we didn't developing self-regulation. Now, what kind of that? There's more reflected question then we ask our student what they have learned today. It's more deep than that. If we want to reflect, yeah, this app will help you to create the reflecting question that deep learning into the process. Okay, nah, in this deep learning, the teacher will be an activator, collaborator, and culture developer. The teacher will not only the source of the information, the teacher will be stimulating students to achieve goals. Yeah, so we have to step back and see our student discuss together, make something, make mistake, yeah, and maybe exhausted, but it will be their process, and the teacher will providing feedback to push for higher achievement. Yeah, that is the activator. The collaborator working with student, college, families, also culture developer. The culture in our class will be creating a supportive environment, encouraging risk-taking, creativity, and innovation. Now, this is the roles of the teacher when they got into the deep learning process. And the last is implementation strategy. There's a three-step cycle. The first is planning, execution, and assessment. Yeah, that is our daily duty and no differ from at all. Yeah, but in this app we will more detailing what kind of the planning it is. Execution. Is there any activity that may be interested for us, from us to execute to the student? If there any student guidebook or experimental such as me teaching biology, is there any guide experiment for that? The app will creating that for us. Also assessment. Now assessment is not only in the end. In deep learning process, the assessment is from the beginning until end. From the beginning, the middle, also in the end. Now this what the meaning of past learning, for learning, and of learning. Now the beginning, the middle process, and the process that continues in the class, and also the off, it's like kind of the end of the learning. Let's jump into the app. Everyone, have you opened the app? Yeah, Teacher Jansi, Teacher Alexander, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go to the app.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please inform me if any trouble exists or something didn't quite right. Okay, let's create our lesson plan first. School name. Please go to your school name, write that in the field school name, teacher name, our name, it's Dedi Effendi, the level of our student, if kindergarten, elementary, please choose that, and the pace. The pace, in deep learning, we will divide our student in A until F pace, yeah. It's 6 pace, yeah. If I teach in grade 10, it's senior high school, then I will be in pace E. But if anyone teaching in senior, in the junior high school, it will be pace D, grade 7 until 9. Okay. Okay, let's write our subject. My subject is biology and class grade 10. In this sample, it's x.4. Please don't according to that. We will according to the pace in this field, yeah. Because x4 is something I haven't changed. It's Indonesian trouble. Well, it's one of the language my prompt is not working, yeah. So please go to your grade 10, grade 5, grade 11. Nah, the topic. Okay, the topic is something you have created before, yeah. Such as my topic is in biology, like ecosystem, virus, or maybe biodiversity. Nah, let's just write your topic something like this. I want to teach about ecosystem. Nah, in this topic, we'll creating topic for us. Please extend the topic and wait for the AI to create the expanded topic just from the one word ecosystem. Okay, it's on process. Let's continue. Nah, okay.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for interruption. Would you mind reminding me with the topic, please?
I'm teaching biology, so you can pick one topic of your lesson. My subject is biology, so I write the ecosystem. It's my topic in the class for I teach to my students. Ecosystem like this, or maybe any kind of topic. I try virus like this. Then click the expand the topic. The AI will create the topic for us. What we learn to the students, yeah, in grade 10. It's class such as the structure of the virus, the pandemic maybe, or the cycle of the virus. Nah, it will be created by AI. So may I know, Teacher Alexander, Teacher Jansi, have you created the topic and the AI is working in the expand topic?
Yes, sir, I'm doing, sir.
Yes, sir, Dedi, will you just tell me? I have another kind of language here, so should I change it to English? But I can't do it. So I have used your link, and the language is not not all the words are English, you know. So, for example, class is going to, I don't know what kind of language is he using here. I'm trying to change it. Okay, I just
Okay.
look at it, and
Teacher
no, on
Alexa,
the right, somewhere on the right. Yeah, I see it. I see. Yeah, thank you.
can
Yeah.
you
Okay.
share our screen so I
Yes,
can?
I can. Yeah. I'm trying to translate it because I don't I don't have the words in English.
Yeah.
Yes.
Uh, if there's any mistake in the translation, please go
Mm,
to first with the loading our page.
right.
Yeah.
Just
Now
Um,
I want to make sure that the translation is working also. So it will help me to fix the app.
I'm
But
sorry, teacher. Didi, what about learning objectives? Can we have our own or depending on the topic?
yes, you can create your own topic. If you're teaching
I have
English,
created my own topics about culture and values, but what about learning objectives?
oh, learning objective. Oh, it's in here. Okay.
Yes, I have. Yes.
Yeah, Teacher Malika can paste our own learning objective, but
Okay.
we can choose also creating by AI like this in find learning objective in here. Just click that. Okay, Teacher Alexander, if my Russian translator is not working very much, please reload the app and go to our English international language. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
My
Yes.
name, senior high school. My subject is biology, and the class is grade 10. Let's go to our topic. Is about ecosystem. Now, let's expand the topic. Okay. Meanwhile, we have created that, and we can go to time allocation. It's about maybe 3 meetings times 45 minutes, 60 minutes. It's according to you, yeah, according to your lesson plan. If in Indonesia we have 1 hour's meeting in the class is about 45 minutes, yeah. But I did not know if that is um, if that is work in your country also. Okay, next is learning model. Nah, in this section, we can choose our learning model and learning method. Nah, from PBL, project-based, problem-based, inquiry, that maybe we cannot understand anything. Oh, I'm sorry. Teachers Elsa, who just joining us. Yeah, this is the app.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, because I missed your first session, so I think this is like an application, right?
Yeah, this is
To make
Gemini.
our lesson planned.
Yeah, this is a
Yeah.
lesson plan generator for hours deep learning process,
Okay, different
and
for us.
yeah, this is
Okay.
the English version and another language version. I want to make it for anyone can access that. Now,
Okay.
in
This
learning model,
application is created by you.
yes,
This is created by you, okay, right?
yes.
All our national application in Indonesia. Because and
I mean,
I have seen before.
yeah, we want to see anyone. Because it's very experimental. I want everyone give me for this app, so we can make the app more complete and can be implemented in the class. Nah, okay. Does anyone know which learning model such as project-based learning, problem-based learning, inquiry? I myself is not is not understand the algorithm, what is the system in base, but the AI will created it for us. Nah, this is the suitable thing for us to create one lesson plan below in 5 minutes. Yeah.
Okay, okay. I try to open it. I try to make my lesson plan by using this application. Okay, thank you, Mr. Dedi.
Group discussion, Socratic question, or in my side, biology, physics, chemistry will be demonstration. It's like experimentation in the lab. Yeah. So if I want pick the learning model is project based, and the learning method will be demonstration. It's experiment in the lab. Then pick your learning mode. Is it offline, online, or hybrid? Hybrid is we teach in the class. Also, we teach someone in the another place. Yeah, this is the hybrid. But if we daily teach in our class, just go to face to face. The technology. Nah, the technology is something we have to create it. Yeah, have to use in the class recently. Yeah, I didn't enter. I didn't fill this with any AI, but I pick a common app that we use maybe very often, such as Google Workspace, Canva, Playground, Assembler that I created the project before. Okay, let's pick the Google Workspace. Other technology, if you have other technology such as mathematics teacher using GeoGebra, or English teacher using yeah, something I didn't know. Maybe you have interesting technology to use to translate directly to student. Nah, in my side, biology, I use Sketchfab 3D. It's a website, yeah, that revealing 3D object from nature and another topic. Nah, this is the graduate profile. Okay. Oh, this is the include AI illustration. If we want our worksheet module have an AI illustration, now we can choose this. But if you don't want to the AI create the image, don't create it. Yeah? Don't check the field. For experimental, I want to check that. Nah, then go to
Yeah.
file.
Yeah, teacher, 1 second. I don't have this kind of setting on my lesson plan generator. So there is learning objectives. After Sketch 3D, I can see it on your screen. And there is no this kind of tick, include AI illustration. Yeah,
Oh.
I don't have it.
There is no check include AI illustration. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
I don't have it. Yeah, I don't have it.
Let me check it. But Teacher Alexandra, click the
Yes.
same link, yeah, with us.
Yes, the same. That
Because
combine remote.
I have
Can
updated the link in the board platform. It's the last week link, and it didn't have include AI illustration. But I will go to you after this. Let's check. But
Okay. Thank you.
Teachers Alexandra 922D5. Yeah, it is same with the link in the Google Meet chat. Okay. Okay, let's go to our graduate profile. Nah, if we want to pick any graduate profile, such as 4C, creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, communication, this is the 21st competence which the SDG will go to PISA in this 4C aspect. The PISA will not only judging by their intellectual or their literation or their numeration, but also will judging this critical thinking, collaboration, creativity, and communication. Nah, so I write the graduate profile. So our student will be easy for us to score them. What is their score for critical thinking? What is their ability for creativity? What is their level of communication? Nah, this graduate profile will help us to do that, yeah, in assessment. Teacher Alexander, this graduate profile is available to you in the app, in your screen.
Yes, yes, it is.
Ah,
Yes,
yeah.
it is on my screen. Thank you, Teacher Daddy. Yeah, thank you very much.
So this is the problem, yeah, include AI illustration.
Right. Yeah,
Ah,
it is. It
ah.
exists.
Okay, let's go to our learning objective. If you have any learning objective from your documents from government or maybe created by ourselves, you can go and paste directly in this field. But if we want to create automatically by AI, just click this, find the CP or learning objective. CP is from Indonesian language. I still cannot remove that, yeah, but it's same, yeah, like learning objectives in Indonesia is capaian pembelajaran, yeah. So click the find CP and you got the automatically AI created learning objective. In here you can see the star symbol, but it's not disturbing at all. Yeah, it's just AI answer, because if we copy paste from Gemini to our Microsoft Word or Google document, it will get the star symbol or the so that's all. You just have to fill this the school name, teacher name until learning objective. Then click generate plan. Nah, you can see in the right side, the AI is working. Nah, the AI will create the deep learning main plan, the lesson plan that use deep learning approach. Yeah, we have picked the critical thinking, the creativity, the communication. Nah, let's see if the methodology, the learning method, the technology is integrated in this main plan. Okay, I want to analyze my main plan. Then I'm asking anyone in here to same like me analyze the lesson plan also. Okay, nah, okay, my turn. The first, I'm first, yeah. I want to analyze this. Okay, the author is me. The academic year is now. Author is me. School year, subject year, class place. Nah, this is our class space that we selected before. The topic is ecosystem dynamics, stability, and human impact. Yeah, it's matched with the expand topic that we have created before. The time meeting is the same. The learning model is PBL, project-based learning. The teaching model method is demonstration, is experiment. The mode, the technology, and the student profile focus. Yeah, the 4C. Okay, one click is for all, but it's very experimental, and I believe there many mistakes in here. So give me a feedback to complete this. Okay, the second is learning objective. We didn't have to make manually learning objective. In this AI, we provide that with this, yeah, like identify, analyzing, identifying, applying, being able. Nah, in this main plan, we got the green and red text. What is that? Now, what is this mean? Yeah, applying and understanding. This is the cycle that we have. That we have. Nah, in this, this is what is the mean of the green and the red text that apply in the main plan. Is the learning experience and the principle, the tricky principle. Yeah. Nah, if we see before is understanding, then the understanding is the learning principle. Yeah, from deep learning. Then we see the applying. Nah, that is the same. That is the learning principle. But if we see the red text, then it will be the guiding for the learning process, the tricky principle, yeah. Learning experience, and tricky principles, yeah. So we don't kind of maybe won't understand the first thing before, but if we very often to see what is the meaning of the learning experience, what is the meaning of the tricky principle, we will get a systematic structure human thinking behavior. It will be same like Bloom taxonomy or Solo taxonomy. Okay, let's back to our main plan. It's kind of heavy, maybe. Or anyone, can you understand what I'm talking?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I could.
Is it heavy for you?
Yes, sir. Very nice.
Yeah,
So
okay.
fast and smart.
Yeah, yeah.
I
Nah.
was try it, Mr. Dedi, and I think it's very easier.
Yeah, thank you. It's we have to take the process, yeah. Nah, such as this understanding. It's the learning principle. Conscious. It's the 3 key principle. Nah, so this is the deep learning focus. What is the benefit for that? Nah, if we read this specific skill knowledge, and I believe it will be same with another lesson plan, another topic. I'm biology. If anyone picking the English subject, it will provide us with the specific knowledge and skill. Now, the understanding ecosystem, we will analyze and distinguish the complex between biotic, yeah. So, inside in biology, the student will understand if they analyze and distinguish between and biotic facts and the environment, water, oxygen. They can analyze, they find it, nah, they this understanding it was to have a skill that on design a theoretical sustainable mini ecosystem. Nah, this is applying. Applying is contextual. They have to jump into the real life. The topic ecosystem. What kind of activity that related to the contextual, the real life contextual experiment. Nah, in this sketchfab, nah, or detail diagrams, nah, the AI will give us an activity how to use this sketchfab, yeah, or how to make a detailed diagrams that maybe student will interested and more understanding if they doing this activity. Nah, that maximize biodiversity and ecological efficiency. Okay, so this is the applying the real life contextual. What the activity we want student do if they want to more understand the topic. And the reflecting. Now, the reflecting is the learning principle, and the joyful is the 3 key principles. So reflecting, it will be more joyful for them. It's an aha moment when they doing something. They doing learning something that new and exhausted in the process, but in the end, they found the answer and very happy for that. And it's a aha moment, yeah. Oh, it's like who's the inventor, yeah, who's jump into the water, the Archimedes, the joyful. But it's more deeper in reflecting. It's evaluate the impact of a simulated human disturbance, yeah, such as pollution or habitats fragmentation. Now, in this topic ecosystem, they will evaluate what is the human error in the environment, such as pollution or water pollution, the landslide, any other real life existence, and they will be reflected. So they know how to prevent this, how to make something, make a technology to prevent this. Nah, this is the reflecting. So they will intertwine with the topic, yeah. And this is the creativity and communication. That is the graduate profile. Nah, if we want our students measure their creativity, measure their communication, we can use this topic ecosystem to measure that, yeah. So when they learn this ecosystem, they can communicate the complexity of the ecosystem structure and resilience through a persuasive data-based presentation. Nah, okay. The tools and media, okay, we got the Google Doc, we picked the Google Workspace before, yeah. Nah, the AI will give us the specific items such as Google Doc, what is the function, the Sketchfab, like this Sketchfab 3D viewer. I will open the link. This is the link. Sketchfab is something, the free website to view, yeah, 3D object, such as this. We can show our student what is like to be in the coastal ecosystem like this. It's free and anyone can use. You can download also, but it's not all, yeah. Something will give us a purchase model, but in here, okay, this is the Sketchfab. If we want to give our students the 3D models of ecosystem. The AI has created for us. Okay. This is the Sketchfab. The physical tool, whiteboard, resource, specific journals, online simulation. Then the learning activities. The learning activities, it's very important because we choose what the learning model. It's project-based learning, like in the previous session. It's project-based learning, and AI will give us that project-based learning. What is the structure of the project-based learning? That maybe we don't know what is the first step until the last step. That is now a problem for this app. We got the activity stage from the beginning of project-based learning, such as initiation and planning. The minutes also in here, what kind of activity that may be suitable for us, the development, the demonstration. It's very complex, but yeah. something will come in. Yeah, if we read this description and deep learning integration, it will become for us. It will be an image for us. Yeah. In this first duration, in the first meeting, the first thing we can imagine that. Yeah, we can imagine that from the activity stage. First meeting, I will be present a current event, a major coral bleaching event or forest fire. So we will provide a picture or a video for students to see the major coral bleaching event or forest. Then asking the first question, yeah, if the Earth is a highly complex ecosystem, how quickly can it truly recover? Nah, this is the conscious learning. Nah, it's only 5 minutes, 15 minutes, according to the duration that we have provided before, yeah. And the C Foundation research. Nah, but the initiation is just the first activity stage. The next meeting, in the second meeting, if biology, I'm teaching biology in grade 10 in Monday, then it will be the next Monday in the next week. Nah, the next week I will teach about development and application subtopics, yeah, the activity stage. Nah, this is the activity I want to use with my students, yeah, the check-in and midpoint, the ecosystem modeling, nah, using Sketchfab, Google Slide, or detailed hand-drawn diagram. Nah, yeah, they will create ecosystem, and they will view in the 3D section what is ecosystem like savanna, rainforest, green, rainforest, the steppe, the Antarctic, the Arctic. Yeah, that is the model 3D in Sketchfab that will be their homework. Yeah, they can find the models and present it in the class. And also the disturbance analysis. Now, groups select one major anthropogenic threat, such as an invasive species or excess fertilizer. Now, this is the stage of development and application. The last one is demonstration, the assessment, the finalization and demonstration. So it will create the algorithm, the systematic step that will help us to, that will guide us what kind of activity in the class we will use. Yeah. And the last is assessment. Assessment, we have formative assessment and summative assessment. Nah, this is observation. The teacher will observe and give a score from the rubrics. The rubrics, where is the rubric? The rubrics is in here. But where is the text? Nah, the text is not available because we haven't created that. So if we need the rubrics, just go to this extra AI tool and click rubrics. Nah, the AI will create a rubric according to our main plan. Nah, so teachers, in this app, you don't have to burn out. We have to make a rubric. We have to make assessment. We have to make a main plan. No. I created the AI created for us. Yeah, it's the assistant for us. Nah, the rubric is in here. Nah, yeah, you can use this rubric. It's too long maybe, but you can you can short it. Yeah. Okay. The main plan. Then we got the summative assessment. The summative assessment is multiple choice, complex multiple choice, maybe the 2 or 3 right answer and 2 do true the false answer. Nah, the true false question. Nah, okay. But where is the question? Do AI can give this to us? Yes. You can go to quiz. But in this page, in this quiz, it didn't appear the quiz that we need. Where is that? Okay, you can see this in the side of rubric. We got the button for create quiz. Just click that. And AI will working, created the multiple choice question, multiple answer, and true false question based on our main plan. Okay, let's wait that. And it's creating an AI illustration, yeah, for us. Okay, we got we got the multiple choice question. Now it's A, B, C, D, the complex multiple choice question. Okay, and A, B, C, D, but the answer will be 2 or 3, yeah. The ASI question, also the true or false question. You can pick anyone. I might pick anything. Maybe just multiple choice. Maybe just multiple complex, yeah, or just easy. It's according to us, yeah, and according our time, because we have a very short time in the class. Okay, the assessment also has been created for the AI, the appendix, the project worksheet summary. Whoa, this is the project, the worksheet. Where is the worksheet? Did AI can do that for us? Of course, you can find the page tab for the worksheet. So it's still empty. How can we create that? You find the worksheet button in the extra AI tool above the create quiz. Click that and just wait for AI to working and create the worksheet for us. The worksheet will be according to this summary, the blueprint, the energy and flow, the essential recycling, change and threat. Okay, let's see. Okay, the worksheet is available now. Oh yeah. Okay. It's an image for the worksheet, the identity, our student name, the class, the learning goals. Also the instruction how student activity can do in the class. This is the step by step what they can do in the class. We want them to make a Sketchfab 3D. This is the instruction for that, and we want them to create a diagram in Google Slide. Yeah, it's created for us, so our student can do this process. Okay, and another is reflection. The assessment, the appendix, and teacher reading materials. So the worksheet we have, the rubric we have, the quiz we have also, but not only that, we can analyze the learning objective that we have created. So go to the analysis like this, the learning objective analysis, the module, if you need the module for the teaching, what kind of structure of our topics. If me biology it will be the definition of ecosystem, the structure of the ecosystem, the kind of ecosystem, sabana, steppe, Arctic, Antarctic, also in the sea. This is the module for us, so we can see the concept of ecosystem. What we will teach to our students. And how can we save this? How can we save this document? You can see in this in upper side, it's HTML, download document and copy. Yeah. If we want to save to our computer, click download. Now you can see that something is appear, save as. Now please save to Microsoft Word. Okay, I will share my entire screen so everyone can see that we can save this output from the AI that we have created before, main plan. Now we have downloaded and click the file that we have downloaded. Let's see if the Microsoft Word read it correctly. Okay, processing. Nah, enable editing. Okay. Nah, it's same, yeah, like the answer from the app. It's very same. Nah, the appendix, okay, but it's a lack of it's not consistent. What is not consistent? The font, but it's not a big deal. You can select all and pick the font you we want, yeah, like this Times New Roman, so the font will be same, or maybe keep it default, yeah, it's not a big deal. Okay, generate plan, worksheet, ice breaking. Now, if you want to make a joyful activity, now this is the menu for that, yeah. So before we enter the class, doing the ice breaking, like a game in the class that related to our topic, because something something we maybe the ice breaking is not related to the topic, so it's just like having fun, but it's not meaningful. But if we go to this ice breaking, it will created an activity that joyful and related to our topic. Okay, teacher, maybe that's my presentation. Now, please, anyone who wants give me a feedback, it's very, very useful for me. Please.
Sir, really amazing, sir. I followed all your steps. I completed pasting to the word. It came out so well. I am really thankful to you, sir. It's very easy, and I did with very easy thing, whichever, even the icebreaker, everything it gave so nicely. And this is wonderful deep learning class, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Teacher Jansi, may I know what is your topic?
Yeah, I took my abacus class topic, and it gave such a wonderful, clear plan
Yes.
for my lesson. If you allow me, let me share my.
Oh, my voice is breaking.
Yes, sir. Your voice is in the middle. It breaks.
Oh, it's breaking.
Now it's okay, sir. Now it's okay. So I just copied and shared in everything in my Word, but I don't know how to close this one. But I saved everything, everything in my Word. It came out so well. Thank you, sir. Really amazing. So I'm going to use this to create. I am going to try more using this app.
I hope so. So we can share our experience. Okay. Thank you, Teacher Jansi. Please, Mrs. Elsa.
Yes, Mr. Didi, I was try your application. It's a very amazing. It's make me easier to create my lesson plan. So I was to create my lesson plan about narrative text in my subject English for the 9th level. May I share my screen?
Yes, of course. I want to see.
Okay, wait. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Can you see that?
Yes. Let's
this is my this is my create.
Yeah.
So from the analysis capaian pembelajaran until quizzes, and I was create it. So I would like to asking you, when we try to download this document,
Yep.
is it all of uh, the tools is create? I think is was create for all or one by one. It will
One
be.
by one.
Oh, we can download one by one. It's not the
Yeah.
same for all, yes.
Yeah, but I'm still doing that. I want every kind of pages download with one click. Please wait for the update.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. We can save in in a Word, Microsoft Word, right? So
Yes.
one by one, we can
Yeah.
download this item one by one, right?
Yeah. Can you do that,
Okay.
Teacher Elsa?
Yes.
Working?
Okay. I think I will share your application in my school. Can
Uh,
I?
okay, that's fine. But in your school, yeah, because I will update this link, yeah, from time to
Oh.
time. Please
Mm.
see the board or see the announcement in the press. It's kind of experimental.
Mhm.
From beginning, when I created an app for comic, is experimental, and now
Yes.
this is experimental also. And it's for
Maybe for the next, I will change. I will
yes, please do
WhatsApp
it.
you for personal, right?
Yeah, please do it.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Dedi.
Teacher Alexandra, next, please.
Yes, teacher. Yeah, unfortunately, I couldn't have the possibility to create it. May I share my screen? Just, I don't know why it isn't working. Yes, so that's going to be here, I think. Yeah.
Yes, I believe something is missing uh, from my.
Yeah. So can you see it now? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I can't create the expand topic here.
Oh, because teacher Alexandra haven't typed
Yes.
anything in the in. Please type anything in the topic. Click the topic. Enter topic briefly. Click. Please enter your topic
Mm-hmm.
in the class. Okay. Accurate reading. Okay.
I'm sorry. Yeah, in English.
Now click the expand topic.
Mm-hmm.
Expand topic. Oh,
It's not working. Yeah, I have tried
Mm.
different kinds of variants, but it's not working.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe side.
And that is why I can't do the find CP. It just
Like, I'm sorry. Can you
yeah.
translate what is the Google notification below your screen? It's the black rectangle. Can you translate it in English? What is the Google?
Here.
Yes.
Yeah. For the access to some functions, you should go to Google account.
Oh, have you signed in before in your Google account?
Just a second.
Yeah, but I see you have signed in. Maybe it didn't.
Yeah,
Okay.
I mean my Google account.
Yeah, we have to sign in the Google account if we using Gemini.
Yes, right.
Mhm.
So
Maybe
then I don't know. Wait,
another Google
not
account.
working. Another one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try to do it in another. Okay, so maybe I should just do it just personally and try to do it one more time, yeah?
Yeah.
With another kind of account. I have one question, please, Dedi.
Okay.
All the stages of the lesson can be changed according to the level of the students, right? Am
Yeah.
I right? Yeah.
Yes.
And can I change it just in the document that you have created in the Gemini AI? Or,
Oh,
or should I just download it first and then do some changes?
okay. To answer that, please see my screen. Nah, we can change anything in here, such
Yeah.
as in
So
Gemini. Yeah,
it's
if we
possible.
did not,
Yeah.
if we did not use the Gemini canvas, we can't change anything. So it will be available editing in the Microsoft Word or the Google Documents. Now, in here,
Mhm.
uh, if we if we just select the text, it won't change anything. Yeah, because it's
Okay.
the prompt, the result, the manual prompt that result from the AI that I have to change. Yeah. So please go to our download docx and edit it in the Microsoft Word.
Okay,
And
thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, your session is quite interesting and powerful. So very educational for teachers. You know,
yes,
that's very
yeah,
very interesting. Yeah, yeah. So I think because of some restrictions to my country, I haven't got the possibility to use all of the nice tools from the
mhm,
Gemini AI, but sometimes it is very amazing. Yeah.
yeah. Allow me to
Unfortunately, but some of them
give
are not
an
available.
update for teacher Alexandra for the next update in here. Maybe
Yes.
I can find the mistake. It is maybe the restriction of the country of or not, yeah, because teacher Jansi uh, can do it also. Teacher Elsa same like me in Indonesia. It's still in Asia, but teacher Alexandra is more far away from us. So maybe
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah.
I will
Okay.
check.
Thank you very much, Teacher Daddy. Thank you.
Okay, same as Alhamdulillah. Teacher Malika, please, or teacher Pavitra. Anyone wanna add feedback for me so I can complete it the project and
Sir, it's
yes, teacher Malika, please.
I really thank you too much for your dedication and commitment. Okay, I find it really amazing and time saving. Okay, because I used to waste a lot of time in creating creative, okay, and interactive, engaging lesson plans,
Mhm.
quizzes, worksheets, etc. But now, okay, it will be something super accessible, wonderful, creative, and at the same time fast and smart.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah. May I know the
So
topic
my
of?
topic, I have chosen the topic of culture and values.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I don't know if you can share something
Oh,
related to that.
this
Mhm. Okay.
teacher Malika from Turkey or another country? Nah, okay.
Did you see it? Okay.
It's still working. Okay. Okay, this is the worksheet, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I
Uh,
try to download the rubrics, the quizzes, the worksheets, the lesson plan. Okay, so I try to download at the same time to save them in the Microsoft Word.
okay. Wow. Can you scroll down? I want to see the response. Uh, is it okay? Learning value.
This is great.
It's amazing, yeah.
Yeah,
Wow, wow, wow. Okay. It will be according to the teacher who teach the lesson. Yeah, yeah.
So how to do it? Because I joined late, sorry.
Oh, yeah,
Can
teacher
I
Fitra.
can I just get the gist of it, like
Oh,
how that is being created, the worksheet? Because generally we create it through Chat GPT and
mhm.
the other basic tools. So what ma'am has used for this, Mia ma'am, a presentation was good. So how that worksheet is being created?
Okay,
May I please know?
okay. Teacher Fitra, I have
Yes.
shared the link in the Google Meet. Please
Okay.
uh, refer to that. And also, I have shared the link also in the board. And I see Teacher Pavitra has joined in this board
Yeah.
and can access that. Nah,
Haha.
in this board, I give the YouTube last session with Teacher Nasim. Unfortunately, he can attend with us. The
Okay.
detailed presentation and the tools. Nah, this is the tools for anyone who join this board. So, if anyone who has created the lesson plan, so we can process the certificate, please
Okay.
post your uh, anything, yeah, like a main plan or the rubric or the worksheet that has you created in this board. So uh, I can continue in the certificate process because teacher Gloria is make me doing something that we have to we have to fill the board. Yeah.
Yes, sir. We will
Yes,
do,
yes,
sir.
sir. We'll do.
Yes, sir. We will do, sir.
I create.
Yes, yes,
I
of
I
course.
really liked it. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, I will share my main plan. Okay.
Yes,
Teacher
sir.
Didi, if you don't mind, I need simply to ask a question. For example, in Morocco, I think that it's universal wherever we go. We talk about framework lesson plans. Can we add the framework that we need to work with regarding lesson plans? For example, OHE, ECRIF, PPP. I don't know if we can add them.
We can add. Can I have a brief explanation, Teacher Malika? Uh, we can add a presentation like that. Am I right? Anyone who wants to help me? My sound is didn't. Okay. So teachers, this app is still in development. So if we want to make a presentation from this activity, yeah, from this main plan, ice breaking, rubrics, it will be available in the next update. Can we?
Yes,
That's amazing.
Yeah. Can we make the
Thank
presentation
you so
from?
much.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course. But it will cost an API. API is something that we have to buy from the Google. Nah, such as this picture. Nah, this picture is not entirely correct. I guaranteed you. The picture, if not in English, especially teacher Elsa, if in Indonesia, you have to edit it manually, yeah, because it's still Gemini API, the old Gemini API, differ from the API from Gemini in Nano Banana. It's very accurate in Gemini chat, in the chatbot Gemini. But in this app, I can't add the Gemini Nano Banana. So the text, if not in English, it will be not correct sometimes. But yeah, if something incorrect, we can edit it in Gemini also or in the Canva. Nah, if we want to create presentation, we can experiment that in here. And also in this quiz, we can make something different also. Our student in the class maybe have a laptop or smartphone, and if we give them a quiz such as in Google Form, they can switch tab and browse the answer from the Google search or the another search engine. Now, in next session, I will help you how to prevent that. Now, based on this quiz, we will create an app for quiz that will be saved for anyone. Prevent them to open another tab. It will facilitate their integrity, their morality. Now, in the next session, hope we can do that in the next session. Okay.
Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
Okay,
much,
thank
sir.
you, Mr. Dedi.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. Thank you everyone who has attended this meeting. I'm very thankful.
Thank you, sir, for bringing every time new thing. And last time you brought comic, and one of my student, I told that like how to create it. Even they are trying to make their own comic.
Alhamdulillah.
So thanks to you for bringing new things. And we are also getting an opportunity to explore new things. Now this time using AI to make a lesson plan, and that too very attractive. So surely I'll try.
Yes, you're welcome, Teacher Pavitra.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you everyone, Teacher Jansi, Teacher Pavitra, Teacher Malika, Teacher Elsa. Hope you.
And one more thing, I want to thank
Hey,
Jansi
thank you,
ma'am
Mr.
also.
Dedi.
Last time, ma'am, you have kept that clean energy.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
My students, and to generate that with the help of Canva, they felt so happy, after generating that certificate. Really, it was so wonderful and nice that even the children, they feel motivated with that particular thing. Thank you, Jansi ma'am.
Thank
sir.
you, Pavitra.
Thank you.
Thank you. Amazing.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank
Have a
you.
good night and safe with
Thank
family and
Yeah,
our.
good night. Yeah,
Bye-bye.
bye.
Bye,
Bye.
Take care. Bye.
Teacher Didi and everyone.
Yes. Bye. Teacher Kenida, she wants to talk with. Yes, teacher.
Oh, Teacher
Yes,
Elsa. Oh, okay.
Yes,
Sorry.
I just want to remind for the next project. I have a next project at the February 26th. So I hope all the teachers will join to my projects, because I will share the method of semantic mapping. So
Mm.
don't miss it, okay? Thank you.
And teacher, I would like to ask you one thing, teacher Kenida. Is it for 2 hours? You
No.
mentioned.
No, it's not 2 hours, maybe 30 or until 1 hours.
Okay. And how much?
I just shared the I just want to explain how to use this method, and then the teacher can apply with your student at school.
Mhm.
And then
Yes.
you can take the video, or you can take a photo, and then you can send in my board.
Okay, teacher. Teacher, how many students can join? Is it compulsory for students or only for teachers?
I think the students, 1 or 2 maybe.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Noted.
but I think this is especially for the teachers, because
Teachers. Okay.
yeah, because the teachers can share this method to the student.
Yes, teacher.
Can explain
Thank
more
you.
from the student. Yes.
Thank you. I will be there, teacher. Sure, I will be there.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye.
bye.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye.
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 Elsa, bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you for this wonderful session. See you.
See you, Teacher Malika. Thank you.